Welcome to the Python full course. In this course, we will cover the basics of the Python programming language, as well as some more advanced concepts. Table of Contents. Introduction. Installing Python. 1. Python Basics. Variables and data types. Strings. Numbers. Booleans. Lists. Dictionaries. Tuples. Sets. Control flow statements. Conditional statements. Loops. Functions. Defining functions. Arguments and parameters. Returning values. Lambda functions. Modules and packages. Object-oriented programming. Classes and objects. Inheritance. Encapsulation. Polymorphism. Input and output. Exception handling. File handling. Working with JSON. Working with CSV files. Working with databases. Web scraping with Python. Conclusion. Introduction. Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language that is easy to learn and use. It is popular in scientific computing, data analysis, web development, and more. In this course, we will cover the basics of Python programming and explore some of its more advanced features. 2. Installing Python. Before we begin, we need to make sure that Python is installed on our computer. You can download the latest version of Python from the official website, https://www.python.org/download/. Follow the instructions to install Python on your computer. 3. Python Basics. Variables and data types. In Python, variables are used to store values. We don't need to declare the data type of a variable before using it, as Python dynamically assigns the data type based on the value it holds. Python. Copy code. Hash variable assignment. X equals 10. Y equals hello, world. Z equals 3.14. Python supports several data types, including integers, floating point numbers, strings, and booleans. Strings. Strings are sequences of characters that are enclosed in single or double quotes. Python. Copy code. Hash string assignment. My_string equals hello, world. Strings can be manipulated in various ways, such as concatenation, slicing, and formatting. Numbers. Python supports two types of numbers, integers and floating point numbers. Python. Copy code. Hash number assignment. X equals 10 hash integer. Y equals 3.14 hash floating point number. Python supports several arithmetic operators for performing mathematical operations. Booleans. Booleans are used to represent logical values. In Python, true and false are the only Boolean values. Python. Hash Boolean assignment. X equals true. Y equals false. Lists. Lists are ordered sequences of elements, which can be of any data type. Python. Copy code. Hash list assignment. My_list equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.0. Lists can be manipulated in various ways, such as adding or removing elements, accessing elements by index, and slicing. Dictionaries. Dictionaries are unordered collections of key-value pairs. Python. Hash dictionary assignment. My underscore dict equals name John, age 30, city New York. Dictionaries can be manipulated in various ways, such as adding or removing key value pairs, accessing values by key, and looping through the keys or values. Tuples. Tuples are ordered sequences of elements, which can be of any data type. Tuples are similar to lists, but they are immutable, which means that their elements cannot be changed. Python. Copy code. Hash.